Hello, everybody. Welcome back to day 6, our last day of report writing. This video is going to be very brief. And the reason why is because our conclusions will not be as detailed as the rest of our report. We're going to make a relatively short conclusion this time. So let's get right to it. I wanted to show you the layout of my nonfiction expository piece so far. Some people might call this a report. Some people might call it more of just a nonfiction expository because it's not really a researched piece. I didn't go out and research a topic and find out a lot of things. I just wrote about something that I know, which is me and the time that I'm having right now. Whatever it is nonfiction, and we can call it a report. It's a report about something we're very familiar with. This is our introduction. This is body paragraph 1. That's body paragraph 2. Body paragraph 3 was about all the reading I'm doing. And finally now, in my conclusion, I've done 4 things. So remember, like in class, think of it like a soup. This soup is so easy. It only requires 4 ingredients, really. And you can add as many things as you'd like to spice it up, but as long as you have these 4, you're in business. So let's read it, and we'll discover together what these 4 ingredients are. So here it begins. In conclusion, I think the time, and I forgot to write that here. In conclusion, I think the time is what we make of it. For my part, I plan to enjoy the changes coming in my garden, reading some terrific adventures, and when I can, getting into the sea. I think being bored is a state of mind, so I don't plan to let my mind even consider boredom. I can already tell as I'm reading it that I wanted to put in a few words that didn't make sense. This is one of the most important reasons why reading your report out loud is so critical. For example, look at this. I think is what we make of it. What should I have written here? I think time is what we make of it. And look down here. So I don't plan to let my mind consider boredom. Doesn't sound anywhere near like what I would say. I would say, so I don't plan to let my mind even consider boredom. Here are the 4 ingredients. Number 1, I restated the thesis. I think time is what we make of it. Number 2, for my part, I plan to enjoy the changes coming in my garden, reading some terrific adventures, and when I can, getting into the sea. These are the 3 sum it ups from my 3 body paragraphs: ocean adventures, garden time, and reading. Number 3, I gave my opinion. I think being bored is a state of mind. That's my opinion. And number 4, so I don't plan to let my mind consider boredom, is my big dramatic finish. So take a look at yours. Think about the 4 things that you can do. Think about what else you would like to add. Have fun. I look forward to seeing your final completed first drafts. I can't wait to edit them with you on Google Docs, on Google Classroom soon. Mr. Courtney out.